Go away, Sonny. I don't want to talk.
Okay.
What the fuck was he thinking?
Didn't you have a show tonight? What? I don't know.
You're crazy, man. How'd you find me?
You said I was looking for you.
Yeah, so you biked all the way out here for the view?
Oh. Best place in town to dream.
Oh yeah, don't remind me.
Sorry.
Did you get that?
No, let me just turn this off.
That's fine.
It's not. I'm trying to.
Okay, Jesus, I'll just answer her. Sonny, why do you have 945 notifications? 947.
It's been a weird day.
Wait, Seagulls got 13 million views already? You started a hashtag? People are doing their own versions. Hashtag Seagulls kid. There's hundreds.
That's been happening.
Wait, Seagulls kid rules? No, for real though, this man thinks different. Sonny, what?
Yeah.
Sonny,
What?
Snoop Dogg just DM'd you.
What? No.
Yeah, hold on.
No.
What?
The Snoop Dogg. Snoop Dogg.
Yo, homie, Seagulls kid go crazy. My son's having a Halloween thing in LA. Saturday, bring your crew.
What do you want me to say?
I don't know, Sonny, maybe. Holy shit, this is insane.
Holy shit, this is insane.
Sonny.
I can't just go.
Why not? I have that quantum med thing in Bakersfield.
So
Bakersfield's on the way.
what do we tell people? My dad, he's been...
That I have a work thing, which I do, and you're tagging along.
So you're working on her?
Yeah, for emotional support. Come on, no one's gonna even... We're gonna be back before anyone even knows we're done. Tomorrow, early, before Patty wakes up.
She trusts you.
5 a.m., back late.
Okay.